Alright, what's going on, y'all? Today I got a short video for you. We're going to be talking about the different exhaust systems that I've had on this truck right here. I started off with a, the stock 3-inch with the muffler and everything on it, and I went ahead and straight popped it right after the cab, and I've got a lot of footage of that. And then we're going to move on. I recently was able to order a 4-inch straight popped exhaust from Power Driven Diesel, and I went ahead and picked up a 4 to 8-inch chrome tip. And I decided to axle dump it the way that it worked out. Just worked out pretty good. So I've got footage of the 3-inch stock, the 3-inch straight, the 4-inch axle dump, and the 4-inch axle dump with the 8-inch exhaust. So, all right. So what you're seeing now is just 3-inch straight pop, and I'm also going to show the 3-inch when it was stock completely. Now all what you're seeing now is the 4-inch, and then I'm also going to show a video of the 4-inch with what I've got the setup now with the 8-inch tip, axle dumped out the back. Hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.